In the blow molding process, plastic is heated in an extruder until the plastic becomes a viscous fluid. Then, this plastic is extruded through a blow molding die to form a tube shape called a parison. A mold containing a cavity is closed around the parison. Then, pressurized air is blown inside to expand the parison against the cavity wall. The plastic is cooled by the mold, the air is released, the mold opens, and the part is released. At this plant, the excess plastic at the bottom is removed with a knife. The part is set onto a conveyor belt where the bottles move along to the bottleneck trimmer, where excess plastic is removed from the neck. The specifications for any blow molding machine determine the size and type of mold that can be used. These specifications include the extruder melting capacity in pounds or kilograms per hour. The actual maximum output of any extruder depends on the plastic type, the plastic pressure required, and the plastic melt temperature. The OEM's published output number will be on the optimistic side. To protect the thrust bearing and extend the operating life of the extruder, you should target no more than 80% of this maximum amount. The clamp force is the maximum force in tons that the clamp can exert, keeping the mold halves closed against the force of air pressure inside the mold. Clamp stroke, or daylight, is the maximum distance between the platens when they are fully open. This distance sets the limit for the mold thickness that can be used and still allow the plastic part to drop out when the mold is open.